As a part of Maker's Guild design, we brought 3 aspects in a way that will enable consistent compounding of our competence. The first one is we established routines. Routines are nothing but conscious habits. So we started bringing in weekly routines, monthly routines, quarterly routines, and annual routines. As a result of it, even if the individual did not have any routines or habits for that matter, can just follow along with the guild, and as a result of it, just through osmosis, you will be able to get more competence on the go. The second one is to have accountability. When we promise our friends that we are going to do it, we tend to do it very well. This is a hack in the human nature that we used as a part of social accountability, and we told ourselves we will stand up every day. This is literally a stand-up. We'll stand up every day and say, what is that one task I will get done today? Starting from there, we started bringing in many aspects of accountability. We even set a system of atomic accountability for the guild. And the third part of it is to bring in the aspect of challenges. We are all amazing, smart professionals, which means that if we don't push ourselves out of our comfort zone, then we are not going to really go forward. So challenges is a way of asking you to push forward every single month, and as a result of it, you keep improving. These things are so boring that if you do it alone, you might not do it. But when you're doing it with a community, it is so much fun. So in a way, you are getting the best out of consistently compounding your competence from the community, and you're thriving in your workplace. What more can we have? And if you're excited about these ideas, come join our guild for free. And the link must be somewhere here. See you on the other side.